In this video, I am going to show how to install Ubuntu 21.04 on Virtualbox. Let's get started. Open Virtualbox Manager and create a new virtual machine and name it Ubuntu 21.04. Okay. Now select the type of operating system and then select the version of Ubuntu 64-bit or 32-bit. Okay, then click on next. Now select the amount of memory RAM in megabytes to be allocated to the virtual machine. The recommended size is this. You can increase this size if you have enough RAM. Okay. Create a virtual hard disk now. Okay. Select this option, then click on next. Okay. Now you can increase the size of virtual hard disk. Okay. Now change some settings. Increase the number of CPU if you have enough. Enable 3D acceleration and maximize the video memory. Click on empty and then click on disk icon. Choose a disk file and select Ubuntu 21.04 desktop ISO file. Okay. Now click on OK. Now start the installation. Enable scaled mode. Okay. And maximize the window. Okay, now select Ubuntu and then hit enter. Now select language and then click on try Ubuntu. Okay, now you can use Ubuntu 21.04 without installation. Okay, now search for display and change screen resolution. Okay. Now double click on install Ubuntu 21.04. Now select the language and then click on continue. Now select keyboard layout, continue. Select normal installation or minimal installation and then select install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats. Then click on continue. Okay, now select this option, erase disk and install Ubuntu. This will automatically create two partitions for software and ext4 file format, and something else option you can create or resize partitions yourself. Okay, select this option and then click on install. Continue. Okay, now select the time zone, then click on continue. Okay, now enter your name, enter a username, and then choose a password for your username. Enter same password again to confirm your password, then click on continue. Okay, this will take a while for copying files and installing. Installation has finished. Now you can continue testing Ubuntu, but until you restart the computer, any changes you make or documents you save will not be preserved. Restart now. Press enter. Now enter password and enjoy Ubuntu 21.04. Okay, if you like this video, like, comment and share. And subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.